Hi there. So my name is Toby Schultz. I'm one of the owners of Maid House Cleaning. So we engaged Trevor Russell for sales coaching in our cleaning business after seeing the tremendous results we had when we engaged him with our marketing agency. So since Trevor's first session with our Maid team, we've grown from servicing 3 cities in Southeast Queensland to now cleaning homes in 12 plus cities around Australia. Aside from how approachable and truly experienced Trevor is in the world of sales coaching, what we appreciated most was how, from the get-go, he truly tried to understand what our business was about, the ins and outs, and the exact goals that we wanted to achieve. He then went and developed a plan that aligned perfectly with these goals and helped us to achieve them on a monthly basis. Knowing that we had Trevor coaching our sales team in the cleaning business really allowed myself and the other 2 management people to step back and focus on building out the systems that we needed in order to allow for that fast growth that we were achieving month on month. So look, I'd really highly recommend Trevor Russell to any business owner who's serious about growing their customer base.